with few automations. I use same headphone for both mobile and laptop. I have to disconnect from my phone and connect to laptop in the morning, and need to reverse the same process in the evening before leaving the office. So it takes significant time, so I just want to automate this pattern. I use Samsung phone. It has a Bixby routine, so we can schedule a routine. Based on that, it can disconnect the headphone in the morning and connect the headphone in the evening. However, there is no such utility available in the Macbook. So I have developed a script which can do the same thing. Like, there is a utility called blueutils, where so let me walk you through the script which I developed. So in the morning it checks is it morning hours or evening, so before 7th hour and before 15th hour. Then it will check the status, and then it will turn on the Bluetooth, and then it will connect the headphone. So you can check the headphone name. If you turn on, you should be able to see the name. So I'm using this headphone, so we can connect. If it is already connected, then just put the connection already exist. So if it is not fall under this time, then turn off the Bluetooth. This is the script. And then I use the cron tab to automate it. So morning 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, every 5 minutes run the script and then check the status, and then same thing, it runs in the evening. Disconnect the Mac. Let me show you. For example, I disconnect the Mac and then go to the terminal. If I run, it will say turn on the Bluetooth, and then it's connected. If you go here, you should be able to see my Bluetooth has been connected in the morning, and then in the evening it will disconnect. Thank you for watching my video.